Okay, we've worked on if, now let's tackle only if. Okay? If sufficient condition, only those kinds of concepts those kinds of concepts mark the consequent. If marks the antecedent, only if, and those types of concepts mark the consequent, right? So, if you're a millennial, then you love avocado toast is M arrow A. Okay, if you're a millennial, you love avocado toast. That's millennial sufficient. Brings along with it avocado toast. Okay, M arrow A. Okay, another way to say that is you are a millennial only if you have to love avocado toast, and that is the same thing because only if marks the necessary condition, i.e. the consequent, right? If you're a millennial, that brings along loving avocado toast, right? That's the same way as saying you're a millennial only if you love avocado toast. Same thing. M arrow A. But here, only if marks the consequent. Only if marks the consequent. Okay? So, likewise, right? Remember, we could put if in the middle. So you're a millennial if you love avocado toast is A arrow M, right? If marks the antecedent. You're a millennial only if, here you can see the contrast between the concepts, you love avocado toast is M arrow A. Only marks the consequent. Okay? You have to love avocado toast to be a millennial. That's this, right? As long as you love avocado toast, that makes you a millennial, which means you have to be a millennial like avocado toast, right? So this one's saying non-millennials don't like avocado toast. Boomers and Xers and Zers and you all are called, I guess you guys are Gen Z. Some of you. Okay? Have to be a millennial to like avocado toast if marks the antecedent. As long as you like avocado toast, then you're a millennial. Right? Have to like avocado toast, right? So this one allows for millennials that don't like avocado toast, right? This just says if avocado. If you do, that makes you millennial. This says if you're a millennial, gotta love avocado toast. If you don't, hand in your millennial card. Okay? Only marks the consequent if marks the antecedent. Now we can have word order issues in with only, just like we did with if. You can put only concepts at the front of a sentence. It's less common. It's a little more awkward English, but you can do it, and it still marks the antecedent. I don't believe I've done that in the homework. Okay, so don't know that we need to spend too much time on that, right? But you could express this sentence, only if you love avocado toast are you millennial. That's still goes with the, right, whatever it's next to. Right? Only if you love avocado toast are you a millennial. That's M arrow A. Okay, so I have a few here on if I buy a car, if I get a raise, I buy a car, right? So you have to ask for each of those. Which one's necessary? Do I have to get the raise? And I still might not buy the car because other things might have to go into place. Or as long as I get the raise, I buy the car, right? As long as is antecedent. Have to, right? Only if I get the raise, whichever order in the sentence it is, right? Have to, that's necessary condition, and that goes in the consequent, right? As long as is sufficient condition antecedent, only type concepts have to, that is consequent. Okay? So, only and only if mark the consequent. only if, and other have to type concepts restricted to, right? You can take this class only if you're enrolled at Stetson, but there might be other restrictions, right? You can take this class only if you're enrolled at Stetson, right? Means that you're eligible to take this class therefore it implies that you're enrolled at Stetson. Again, there might be other restrictions, right? If we're saying anyone enrolled at Stetson is eligible for this class, right? That would be this, as long as you wouldn't use the only type language, okay? Only if marks the consequent. Okay. We'll look at these with examples.